Here is a castor oil pack wrap kit from Dalileo. I believe that's how you say it, and I hope that's how you say it because it sounds good. So Dalileo castor oil pack wrap kit. And it also has this bag, which feels like the castor oil in it. I love that they pack it separately because if it happened to leak a little bit, it's in a separate little bag, and it's in a nice little muslin bag. Okay, so the castor oil itself, it's in the dark glass bottle, which they need to be. We've got organic castor oil, 100% pure, cold pressed, hexane free, extra virgin. Perfect. Ingredients are 100% pure and natural castor seed oil. Again, perfect. Okay, so I know a little bit about that, and that's what I learned is what you want. And then the 3-piece complete kit contains 1 neck care kit, 1 abdominal, and 1 flannel. Okay, so we've got this little bag and this. Here is the abdominal pack. Ooh, it smells nice for some reason. We've got an instruction manual. Ooh, this is so soft. You pour the castor oil on here if you want to put it anywhere else on your body. So if you want to go somewhere else than the neck or the abdominal, you can use this for anywhere else, like wrap it around your arm or something like this. And this is unbelievably soft. For the abdomen, you pour the castor oil directly on here. I like that this has a little pocket if you want to put a heating pad in there to help it absorb. You could stick it right in there. We have buttons here because when you put it on, you can loop this around wherever you need it. I'm gonna try that on in a minute. And then for the neck, it's like this. There we go. So you just pour the castor oil in here and then you put it around your neck and tighten it. And this is good for the thyroid. So I'll definitely be doing that. I need it. Okay, my sister is here. She's going to demonstrate how you put this on. If she was going to put it on her skin, she'd put the castor oil onto the inside here and then put this directly onto her skin, but she's just going to show you how it goes on.
So here,
over the clothes.
Yeah, lots of buttonholes for different sizes. I'd put it on my skin, and for me, I'd want it like on my liver. And this is a pocket for a heating pad, so I could put something warm in here. And then I would put this on and just simply attach a button. I want it a little snug so that it holds the castor oil pack onto my skin. So there's one and then the other. And again, I love that this is so adjustable because I do want it snug. Oops, my nails are getting in the way. And there we go.
Let me see the back. Okay, so this one is for the thyroid. So.
Oh, nice. So nice and adjustable. Just over the head and then put it here and then adjust nice and snug. It's very soft. And I love, just real quick on these, I love that this is thin, so if you're laying, there's no like bulky straps that you'd be laying on.
Any other body part, you would just use this nice soft